What's that sound? Is it a thunderstorm? Or just your belly showing off again? Here's the scoop. When you're hungry, your stomach and intestines act like a busy factory. Conveyor belts, pipes and all, they squeeze and push air and liquids around in a process called peristalsis. Sometimes all that sloshing makes wild gurgling sounds called borborygmi. And meet ghrelin, the hunger hormone. He's the little guy running around waving a sign that says, time to eat. So when your tummy rumbles, it's just your body's way of saying, hey, let's grab a snack. No need to be embarrassed. Everyone's got a noisy tummy sometimes. So next time you hear the rumble, smile and feed the factory.